today we are unboxing something really exciting. This is the state-of-the-art device ever made by man. This has everything that you can dream of. I have with me the Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche design. It's the new generation smartphone from Honor in collaboration with Porsche. Just look at the size of this box. It looks really nice, it looks really classy. And today we're going to unbox it. I'm going to use it and then I will review it. So let's go. This is really the coolest smartphone I've seen, and it's really loaded with some of the really cool stuff in it. The specs are like highest ever I've seen. It's like 1 terabyte of storage and 24 GB of RAM, along with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. I was eagerly waiting for this for almost over a month for this to arrive, and it was just launched in March, 22nd of March last month. And I'll be unboxing this right now. So let's see, let's go ahead with it. So this is the box of the Porsche design, Honor Magic 6 RSR. So the box is really classy and it's really heavy, so I don't really know what exactly is inside apart from the phone. I'm expecting some really cool stuff apart from the phone as well. So I'm opening the box right now and let's see. So it shares the name of the phone, Porsche design, Magic 6 RSR from Honor. Let's see. So it shares the name of the phone, Porsche design, Magic 6. So there's a box again inside. This box within the box. It's magnetic. And wow, this is how it is. It's magnetic. Wow, this is how it is. So let's open it. So in the box we have the phone. Then we have this is the phone. Looks really cool. The back is like this. You can see it's written Porsche design. And it's bulky to hold. Actually, it's bulkier than my current phone. But it is expected to be bulky because it has a titanium rim and the build is a bit heavier. It's a limited edition phone, so I'll just keep it here and I'll explore what's in the box. I'll come back to the phone again. So in the box we have cover. So this comes with its own casing. Yeah, it has its own casing, and this is what Honor provides out of the box. The casing is like, you know, I had read that they have used the similar material from the seat of the Porsche car. You know, it has a back for this. It's a leather material. I just keep it back here. Next, let's explore what else is there in the box. We have what is this? Okay, it's a charger. So they have given two chargers. I'm not sure why, but probably it's a backup charger for the charger. They have given us two different types of chargers in the same box, and it's cable. So this is like a USB-C cable. Okay, so USB to USB-C. Okay, and this is a standard charger. Okay. I don't think I can use this charger because of the pin. It's a very different kind of pin. It's not what we have here in India. So I'll keep this back. Let's explore what else is there in this box. Okay, so this is something more. So they have given us, what is this? Okay, this is a true USB to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C cable. The earlier one was a regular cable. And you can see this. Not sure what I'm going to do with two cables, but let's see. We'll explore the use case as we use the phone for a couple of days. But Honor has really done a good job with this phone. It's a Porsche collab phone, so I don't expect this from other Honor devices that they have put here. And there is one more thing. So since this is a Porsche designed phone, they have also given you a charger within the car. So this is something, it's a 66 watt charger which you can plug into your car and you can use it for charging your phone. So if you have a Porsche car, you can definitely have all this in the ecosystem with your car and phone on the same brand. So let's go back to the phone. First boot up. Honor 96 Porsche design. You have to select the language. English. Not so many languages. Let's start it. India. Next. My Wi-Fi. There's an in-display fingerprint here. Really fast.
Get started with. Good.
These are the default apps which come pre-installed with the phone. You can disable it. So right now I have disabled all of these. There are a lot of other applications which will get installed if you select these. So I'm just proceeding with without any of these right now. We have set up the device and we are ready for use. It comes with a pre-installed screen guard or screen protection.
Later, click the load.
So let's explore this phone further. Okay, so we've got this back cover which came out of the box with the phone. It's a really nice back cover, and it's the material is leather, and it's kind of having the same touch and feel of a seat cover because it's a Porsche phone. And I'm just attaching it for the first time, so that I don't have to be worried about accidental falls or anything. So when I attach it, this is how the phone looks like. Looks pretty cool for holding. This is the frozen berry color. It's a shade. It's very nice. It's resembling one of the Porsche cars they have recently launched and collaborated with this particular phone design. Let's go do some